In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a clean, professional page border in Google Docs. Whether you're creating a school assignment, a project report, or you simply want your document to look more polished and visually appealing, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Adding a border might seem small, but it can completely transform how your page looks. So let's get started. First, open your Google Doc and head straight to the top menu. Once you're there, click on Insert, then move down to Drawing and select New. This will open a pop-up window where you can create your custom border. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click the shape icon at the top. Hover over Shapes and choose the rectangle option. Now click and drag to draw a rectangle. Don't worry about making it perfect right now. We'll fine-tune it later. Once it's drawn, go back to the top toolbar and click Fill Color, then set it to Transparent. This is important because we only want the border, not a solid box covering your page. After that, click on Border Color and choose the color you want your page border to have. Most people go for black, but feel free to pick whatever suits your style. Right next to that, you'll see Border Weight. This controls how thick your border looks. You can start with something bold like 16 or choose a thinner line depending on your document's design. When you're happy with the styling, click Save and Close, and the border will appear on your page. Now, select the border and click the three dots below it to open Image Options. Here, switch the text wrapping to in front of text so you can freely move it around without affecting your document. Then, under the same options, select Fix Position on Page, which makes sure the border stays exactly where you place it. Once that's done, start resizing it to fit your page perfectly. Click and drag the corner points to adjust the height and width at the same time. If the shape stops expanding evenly, use the edge points to fine-tune the fit. Drag the bottom or side edges until the border aligns cleanly with your page margins. Take your time here. Small adjustments make a big difference. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a clean, customizable page border in Google Docs with ease and confidence. This little design touch can make your documents feel so much more professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with someone who might be trying to add borders too. Why not make their day easier?